This is not going to be your everyday motivation. This is tough love, my friend, because to get your life back on track would not be easy. If you have fucked up your dreams and plans and the future is looking bleak, or you just made a decision that is going to cost you pretty soon, then you need to listen up. You have messed up, that is a done deal. The important question is, what are you going to do about it? Life is not a never-ending playground where you can frolic and wander without a care in the world. It's a precious gift, a limited resource that you must value and make the most of. Every second that slips away is a second you can never reclaim. So why are you wasting it? To level up as a high-value man, ensure you are subscribed to the channel. And let's get down to work. Number 1. Accept that you have fucked up. You know you've messed up, and that's the first step in the right direction, acknowledging your mistakes. But let me tell you something, accepting that you messed up is just the beginning. It means nothing if you don't follow it up with real action and a commitment to change. Are you accepting your flunked thing up just because you want people to feel sorry for you, or you want to feel sorry for yourself? Are you accepting this just because you have got your back against the wall and you just need a way out because you have no other choice? You must search your heart and soul. Be honest with yourself. Why are you accepting that you need a change? First, know that you can't afford to keep making excuses or living in denial. That's a surefire way to stagnate and repeat the same mistakes over and over again. You need to embrace your failures, no matter how painful they are, and use them as stepping stones toward growth and self-improvement. 2. Stop overthinking. It is fantastic when you can think and analyze your problems, but danger lurks here that you must be wary of. Beware that you do not fall into the trap of overthinking your situation. Why do you think many people who are fucked up can tell you all about how they messed up, and yet they cannot move forward and sort out their problems? All they do is think about the situation to the extent they have become experts at analyzing their situations, but it has gotten to a point where they have talked so much about it, they have become confused. This is called analysis paralysis. Analysis paralysis is like quicksand. The more you dwell on a decision, the deeper you sink into a state of inaction. You become trapped in a never-ending cycle of contemplating every possible outcome, obsessing over the smallest details, and fearing the consequences of making a wrong move. Meanwhile, time is slipping away, opportunities are passing you by, and nothing gets accomplished. Here's the hard truth. The perfect conditions, the ideal circumstances, and the flawless plan you're seeking simply don't exist. Waiting for everything to be just right is an illusion, a mirage that will leave you stranded in a desert of missed opportunities. You need to understand that action, imperfect action, is the only way forward. Progress is born from doing, not from overthinking. 3. Drop the baggage. We all have baggage, but it's what we do with it that matters. What do I mean by baggage? This can come in various forms: toxic relationships, self-doubt, unproductive habits, negative beliefs, or past failures that haunt you. These weights prevent you from moving forward and reaching your true potential. It is time to face them head-on and release their grip on your life. So what is your baggage? What's the dead weight that you are carrying that needs to be dropped? You need to think about it and be ruthless in eliminating anything holding you back. It is essential to identify unproductive habits that hold you back. Procrastination, excessive time spent on social media, unhealthy coping mechanisms, or a lack of discipline can all impede your progress. Recognize these habits and make a conscious effort to replace them with positive, constructive ones. Develop a routine, set achievable goals, and hold yourself accountable for your actions. Progress requires consistent effort and discipline. It is also important to move on from your past. Don't let your past rob you of your future. 4. Give money some respect. You would treat anything you respect with dignity. You would not want to misuse what you respect. This is the attitude you should have for money. The reason why you spend money carelessly on things that add no value to you is that you have no respect for the work or privilege that gave you the money. It also means you have no respect for yourself. 5. Cut away from losers. This may be hard for you because your friends are part of your life, but it is about time you think about those you spend so much time with, because if you want to break free from habits sabotaging your progress, then you cannot afford to have friends that still indulge in those habits. How can a drug addict break free from his addiction when he spends most of his time hanging around other addicts? Get your priorities right. What do you really want? Do the people you hang around inspire you to become the man you want to become? It is about time you get brutally honest with yourself. 6. Change your environment. Sometimes the best or only thing left to do is change your environment. This is exactly why many migrants with fucked up lives are able to achieve things they could never have dreamt of achieving in their home country. Changing location would change the way you think. It would open up new opportunities to you, and you are able to leave your past behind. When everything fails, then it is time to move out and away. Give yourself a fresh start. Stay motivated and focused on becoming your best self. Subscribe now.